The equation of a circle. The standard form of the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where in this formula we're told very important things. The h value and the k value are the center of our circle. The r is the radius. If you think about if you just tried to draw a circle in general, what's the two pieces of information you would need? You'd need the center point and the radius, and then you should be good to go. So the important thing to remember here is that because this is x minus h and this is y minus k, our h and our k values will be the opposite signs of whatever is in our parentheses. So let's go ahead and look at this first example. Find the equation of the circle having radius 6 and center 1, negative 2. So they're giving us r for our radius, h and k for our center point. So we really just need to literally fill in the formula. So we have x minus h, so x minus 1. So see how that switched to a negative 1 instead of the positive 1 we originally had. Plus y minus k, but k is already negative. So if we minus a negative 2, that's going to make this be a plus 2. Okay, so what we had was y minus negative 2. And so what we did is we were saying let's change, or whatever, however you learned that in middle school. Let's change those to negatives and make it be y plus 2. And that equals r squared. They give us r is 6, which means r squared is going to be 36. So that's what goes on the right side of our equation. So this is the equation that goes with the information they gave us. Now, another thing they could do is they could give us the equation and want us to graph it. And so to do that, we need to figure out what h, k, and r are. So this value is our h, this value is our k, this value on the right side is r squared. So if they have x minus 3 and I want h, I'm going to take just the 3 and not the negative with it. If I have y plus 1 and that's supposed to be y minus k, well, that means that k has to be the opposite sign, which is negative 1. Something that happens a ton in math is if you have parentheses, chances are you're going to have to change the signs of whatever's going on in parentheses. So we didn't take this negative, we made it positive 3. We didn't take the positive, we made it negative 1. So this is our center. Our radius, they give us that r squared is 9, so what does that mean r is? Well, that means we have to take the square root on both sides and get 3. So to draw this, I need to go to 3, negative 1. So write 3, down 1. And then for the radius, I need to go 3 in each direction. So we just need to focus on left, right, up, and down, going 3. And then drawing a circle that goes around and touches those points. Which hopefully your circle looks better than mine. I'm drawing on a computer, so. Well, that's a good circle, but not in the right place. There we go.